Tesla updates Cybertruck with 4 motors, 4-wheel steering, and crab mode.
So this is to replace the tri-motor with, I'm guessing it's the same price. And it's because the Hummer and the Rivian have 4 motors. They're quads, right?
Wow. Crab mode, the Hummer showed off crab mode.
Yes.
Which allowed it to essentially like pivot the tire, like at the 4 tires at the same time to essentially move sideways.
Yeah, kind of like strafing, but not completely.
Did you just say strafing?
Yes, I did.
On this show right here?
Yeah.
Have you been playing Halo or something?
I'm thinking about it. It was out today.
You're just
single player.
You're just thinking about Halo?
Well, yeah. It's a monumental day.
Really?
I guess
I thought
listeners would be.
You were already doing the multiplayer. Mm-hmm. Did that amp you up for the single player, or did it kind of? It did.
It did, yeah.
So you are playing this game.
I'm a fan.
So you are strafing.
I am Master Chief strafing. Yeah. Are you?
No,
Are you strafing?
I haven't strafed in a while.
Okay, yeah.
I would like to try the game.
Well, get on it.
Maybe I'll try the game live on this show because it's the only way I'm going to get to try it.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe
I'll set it up.
We should do a segment in an upcoming show to try out the mechanics of the new game because I played that stuff growing up, man.
Yeah.
I played those things.
Yeah, you strafed when you were a young boy.
4 motors, 4-wheel steering, and crab mode. Okay, but like, when are we going to get this thing? Still 2022, right? Yeah. How do they know about these updates? Elon Musk confirmed it. That's how. What he says, initial production will be a 4-motor variant with independent ultra-fast response torque control of each wheel. That's sick. Love it. After being unchanged for 2 years since its unveiling, the prototype was back in 2019. The automaker was expected to update the specs and pricing before the launch of the production version in 2022. This will replace the originally unveiled tri-motor version of the Cybertruck that was supposed to be the first one to market at $69,900 and with over 500 miles. I guess that's the one. I think I pre-ordered that. Or is it even called a pre-order? I don't know. I gave them $500 or whatever it was. Mm-hmm. It will have, there's a quote down there. Musk reiterated the Cybertruck will also have rear wheel steering. We'll have both front and rear steering. So not just like a tank, it can drive diagonally like a crab. So it's going to have the Hummer crab thing as well.
The tank one is interesting too because you could turn without moving forward or backward. You're kind of just spinning.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's like a radius. Like a spinning top.
Like a fidget spinner?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm cognizant of this ring that I'm wearing, by the way. The video's not out yet. I'm not going to talk about it yet. Video's not out yet.
Okay.
Maybe it will be when they're watching this. But either way, you're going to hear about this ring. I've been sleeping with this ring.
So you like it?
Hey, man, I told you we can't go into it right now.
Yeah, fine.
I mean, we could. But yeah, it's the new generation Aura ring, and I have a video coming out. I have been using it every day since I got it.